to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to get a perfect base for your makeup. So I'm gonna be showing you how I do my foundation, contouring and highlighting. So without further ado, let's get started. So to get the perfect foundation base, you need to conceal your dark circle first. Like basically we call it correcting. For that I'm using the orange concealer by Miss Claire. Basically covering every dark spot or any pigmentation that I have on my face with using this orange concealer. You can see that my dark circles are instantly gone by using this orange corrector. This corrector is amazing. Everybody should own this corrector because this is very cheap and this is very lightweight on your under eyes. It doesn't give you creases as well. So now we're gonna come on foundations. So I personally use Maybelline because it is very lightweight and because this foundation is really buildable as well. But if you're a person who doesn't like using foundation, then I would recommend using a BB cream by Pond's in the shade of 01 Original. So I have personally used a lot of BB creams and this works best for me and for my skin tone as well. So I really and highly recommend this, and it is not even costly. It's very cheap and there's a lot of product that you also get in this small little I don't know what you call it. So now we talk about the foundation, how to choose the foundation for your skin tone. So for the best way to check your foundation, I would recommend checking it over here, not over here, not over here, but check it for at least like 7 to 5 minutes. Go to a store, whichever foundation that you think that matches with your skin tone, then put it here, blend it a little bit and walk around in the mall somewhere, and then see after 5 to 7 minutes, because basically what happened with foundations, they tend to get oxidized on your face. So now I'm gonna show you that this does look that it is very light for my skin tone, but after a few 5 to 7 minutes this will get oxidized, because on my skin foundations do get oxidized, and I'm pretty sure most of the people faces the foundation do get oxidized. That's why your foundation tend to look very grayish or ashy after a few half an hour or 20 minutes or even like in the mid of the day, because your foundation color is basically not correct. So you have to make sure, if you want to avoid ashiness and grayiness on your skin, then you need to make sure that you test your foundation correctly. So for me, I am 320 Natural Buff from Maybelline. So I'm almost taking a coin size of this foundation, and to blend this I'm going to be using a beauty blender. This works great for everybody and it is super easy because it literally soaks up all the extra foundation. And you need to make sure that before you use this beauty blender, your beauty blender is pretty much damp. Damp as in just run it under a water and squeeze the excess water and make sure it's a little moist. So you have to make sure that you keep blending as much as possible. So now we come on the contouring, guys. For contouring I'm using a Maybelline concealer in the shade of 30 Cafe. So basically this concealer is 3 times darker to my foundation. So I'm going to teach you how to contour very easy way. So basically all you have to do is make sure that you find your cheekbone line. So as you can see, there's a dark hollow over here, and as you can see it is over here as well. You have to follow your natural face cut. That's all you need to do. If you cannot find a natural face cut and you have a round face, so I would recommend doing one thing. So pull up your hair and see where your ears stop and end. See how my natural line is going right there. Exactly. So just draw a line taking from here to here. That's it. I'm gonna show you now how to do it. I drew the line just following my top of the ear, and we are gonna do the same thing over here. We are gonna take that and draw a line over here. There you go. We're gonna take the same beauty blender and blend everything out. And you have to make sure when you're blending your contour, then blend it upwards, not downwards, because you need to lift your face. And for that, you need to blend it upwards. Can you see my hand, how it's moving upwards? So now we come on highlighting. I'm using the Maybelline concealer in the shade of 20 Sand. So I'm gonna start by highlighting my under eyes first by drawing a triangle. On the bridge of my nose. So scary. I'm using the beauty blender again to blend everything out. So after blending it out, I'm going to use the banana powder to set my under eyes so it doesn't crease up the entire day. So as you can see that I've already set my under eyes. Now I'm going to wait 60 seconds to remove the excess powder from my under eyes. So for removing the powder, I'm using a very fluffy kind of brush, like it's a powder brush basically. So now I'm gonna set my cream contour by using a powder contour. Wow, that sounded weird. Blush on my face. I'm using a Colorbar blush, Coral Craving. It's very pigmented. So now I'm gonna blend everything out by using the Clinique face spray. There you have it, guys. I have put on eyeliner and some mascara and some lipstick. So this is how I do my foundation contouring and highlighting, guys. I hope you really like it and enjoyed it as well. Thank you guys for watching, and please check out my last video as well, where I have taught a lot of little basics to get a very great and an acne free skin. I will put the link in the description below.